Hey y'all, we're gonna build a downward facing dog today. Component 1, flexible shoulders. It's hard. So you're gonna reach your fingertips up high to the sky, biceps by your ears, and while you lengthen your fingers, this is the hardest part, boys especially, you're gonna drop your shoulders into your ribs, right? Drop your shoulder blades into your back pockets. So you want a lot of space here between your ear and your shoulder, but still lengthening your fingertips high to the sky. Biceps by your ears. So think big armpit. That's the top half, bottom half. We need long, flexible hamstrings. You're gonna make your body into an L, but if the floor is far away, which it is for most of us, use your ottoman, right? Or your couch or a chair, something. And then lengthen your tailbone back, lengthen the crown of your head forward, feel the party, and just hang out, right? And when you've got both of those components and you're ready to go for it, you're a plank, and then you just lift up and back, and you are a down dog. Woof. Thanks for watching.